You are welcome once again to A2 um, English Unlimited. And this is your instructor, once again, Mustafa Banaman. Today, we will look at the present simple. Uh, that is positive. Present simple. That is mudari basit. And then the positive, ijabi, and jumla ijabi. Now, what is this present simple? Um, Normally, we use the present simple, mudari basit, we use it to talk about things that are always true. Things that are always true, archaic, or happen all the time, or happen regularly. And that is things that happen repeated again and again and again. They happen every day. That is what we mean by the present simple, something that is true all the time. So, for instance, I have example. I have two children. I have two children. This is true all the time. And then another example is I play football on Saturdays. It means you can see there is S here. This S means every Saturday. That means it is regularly uh, repeated, repeated again and again and again. That is what we mean by regularly. Something that you do today, you do it again. You do it again regularly. That is on Saturdays because of the S here. It means every Saturday. Now, let's look at the form of the terkib of the present simple. Now, present simple verbs following he, she, and it end in s. So you can see that we have here I work, you work, but with he, she, and it, we add s to them. I work, you work, we work, they work. So I, you, we, they feel asas بدون إضافة. لكن he أو she مضارع بسيط إضافة s. Good. Now, verbs ending in consonant plus y. أي فعل نهاية حروف ساكن مع y. مثال steady. He, she, we change the y to I, E, and S. So I study. I, you, we, they feel asas. لكن he, she, إضافة نهاية حروف ساكن مع y, we change the y تغيير y وإضافة IES. Okay, now with verbs fail ending in s, z or z, ch, sh, or x, we add he, she, it, idafa es. So I miss, you miss, we miss, they miss. Lacking he, she, or it, idafa es. Niaya s, idafa es. Nihaya ch, idafa. Nihaya ch, idafa es. Okay. So we have nihaya hada s, z, ch, sh, or x. Could he, she, it, idafa es. Now, other muntazam, shadh, irregular verbs, غير منتظم, shadh, feel shadh, have, he, she, it, كلمة جديد, has. What go, I'll do, idafa es. So go, he, she, it, goes. I, we, you, they, go. He, she, it, goes. I, we, you, they, do. He, she, it, does. Okay, good. Now I will give you a new page where we will look at uh, something different. Um, I'll send you a new page. Okay, now you can see that uh, we have here, uh, we have here, okay, you can see that we have here an exercise about the present simple. Now, I want you to complete the sentences with the verbs in the box. So complete these sentences. These are the sentences with these verbs. So let's look at the first one is done for us. I speak English and French. You can see that I, you, we, they, fil asas, biduni dafa. He, she, it, Melek speaks. Melek here. So she, so speaks English. Now I want you to complete the rest. I give you 2 minutes and then we will look at the answers. I'll give you 2 minutes and then we will look at the answers. So complete the rest. Okay, now let's look at the answers. So you can see the answers. I want you to give me your answers. Check your answers with these. Check your answers with these. So these are the answers. You can see the answers here. So these are the answers for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So these are the answers. Now, let's look at another exercise here. Now, read Fauna's reply to an email from Melek. Circle the correct forms. So we have here, hi, Melek. It's nice to meet you. Thanks for your email and your questions about dabbling. Yes, it's true. Dabbling, get or gets. So here the answer is gets because Dublin is it, a name of a city in Ireland. So a city is Ger Akel. So he, she, it, you add S. So Dublin gets a lot of tourists, especially in the summer. Uh, Now, why? Well, the city have or has, which where is the correct answer here? City again, Gir Akel, it. So here the answer should be has. Now, I want you to complete the rest. Complete the rest. I give you 2 minutes to finish that, and then we will look at the answers. Now, let's look at the answers. So these are the answers. So we have the answers here. You can check your answers with these. And it will be good to have a notebook with you, daftar or iktub kul jawab. Okay, it's important to take a notebook. اكتب كل في دفتر قبل تتحقق before you check the answers with these. Okay, so that is it for today's lessons. I hope to see you again next tomorrow. See you.